Hello, I will show you how to install and deploy printer on your print server and using group policy. Open Print Management on Server Tools. Point to Printer, and right-click and click Add Printer. Please take note, do not use AutoDetect to install the full driver. If you select the AutoDetect, your server will install the compatible driver only. Select Install a new driver. Select Have Disk to browse the driver from your computer. Make sure you are using a latest printer driver for your printer model. Do not use or add space on printer name and share name to avoid problems on your clients, especially if you are using SAP installed to Unix servers. Also add the printer location to easily locate your printer installed. Printer installed successfully. Now we are going to deploy the printer using group policy. This is the best deployment of printer to avoid installation one by one. For just a few clicks, your printer will be deployed to each user without touching of their computers. To do this, your printer server should be a member of your domain. First, you need to log into your domain controller and open the group policy on the server tools. Click Tools and select Group Policy Management. Right-click on the department or organizational unit that you want to deploy the printer and create group policy. Give name to your policy and be specific. Make sure to enforce your GPO. Right-click and select, Yes, Enforced. Go back to your printer server to do the deployment. Right-click on the printer and select Deploy with Group Policy. Browse the organizational unit and the GPO that you created. Select the users that this GPO applies to per user. Click Add and Apply. Configuration successful. All users on accounting organizational unit will be having the printer after restart or after you run GP update force. Please also take note, this will only work to all domain member computer and proper DNS configuration. If one of you PC are not enrolled to your domain, this deployment will not work to them. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.